Wow, what's this? It's the library's new self-checkout machine. Grab your library card and let's see how it works. First, there are some useful accessibility features. You can increase and decrease the size of the text, adjust the height of the menu, and change the color contrast for visibility. It also allows you to choose a different language. To check out, tap the Check Out Materials button. You can scan your library barcode or type in the number. First, if you'd like to check in on your account, the My Account button will show you the items you've already checked out. Also overdue items, and you can check on your holds. And lastly, fines. But let's tap on the Back button to check out our items. Find the library barcode on the item you'd like to check out and place it beneath the scanner. If you'd like a receipt to remember what you checked out and when to return your items, you have the option to print, email, both, or neither. And you've done it. We hope you enjoy it, and we welcome you to ask a library staff member if you have any questions.